Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing truck bed lights. These are made by Nilight. I bought them on Amazon for like $12. So they're pretty cheap. Not sure how good they're going to be, but we're going to try them out. I have a total of 8 lights, and I think I'm going to put 3 on each side of the bed, and I think I'm actually going to put 2 inside my toolbox. So that way when I flip the switch I can see everything I need to see down inside that toolbox and everything I need to see inside the bed. Alright, so I'm going to run the lights up under the edge, like the lip of the bed right here, all the way down through there on both sides. And I think I'm actually going to drill into my toolbox somewhere like right in here and put the switch maybe there or there. It'll give it a nice clean look, and I can have all the wiring inside of it, and then I won't ever have to worry about it getting hung on something and ripped off or anything like that, or water getting into it and corroding. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so these lights right here actually have like a little sticky thing that you can just peel them off and stick. So I hope that it holds well, but if not, you can put a screw in it. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because the bed rail is so thin, but we'll see what happens. I got the lights installed. I had a little bit of extra wire, but I just tucked it down in behind the plastic. And then I drilled a hole and ran it up through my toolbox right here, because that's where I'm going to be doing all the splicing and stuff, is right in that little corner. So now I got to get the other side. Alright, so I got the other side in, and I drilled through the toolbox into the bed, and then I drilled through right here, and I'm going to run it down just right through there. I'll probably end up gluing it back against up in the corner or something like that, or finding like a piece of conduit type thing to put it in, but for now it's just going to sit. I think I'm going to go right there on each end, just one there and one there, just to light up the toolbox for anything that I really need to see in it. And so yeah, I'm going to get started doing that. We got our on and off button installed now, Brother Jonathan here, and as you can see it does work. We're gonna wait till dark and see exactly how it does. Hopefully it'll be bright. Alright guys, this is the finished result. It's actually a lot brighter than I expected. You can definitely see whatever you need to see in the back of the truck. And then I've got the toolbox lights as well, so if you're reaching in here at night you can see exactly what you need to grab. Alright guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll have some more videos up soon.